This might be the most unnecessary burger I've ever made. Watch this. All right, I like it. Keep it going. There we go. The Alabama Bacon Jammer Burger. Go down with your 3-ounce patties, give them a smash, season them up with a little John Henry's Jalapeno Ranch seasoning, get some butter down, give them burgers a flip, down with some American cheese, nice toasty buns, get you some leftover brisket if you have any. Stick them off to the side. This is where the Alabama comes in. A little bit of Alabama white sauce down. A lot of bacon jam. A little bit of brisket on top. A little bit more Alabama white sauce. Crown it. Unhinge your jaw and dig in. The beard's clean, but nothing else is. Skills, baby.